John Mahama needs a psychological advice. John Mahama needs a psychologist. They need a doctor. I feel within me that John Mahama is not psychologically stable right now. And if, Oluman, you are watching this video, I know that you are not in a clear state of mind. After seeing that post,
and to Ralph DeFellow Ghanaians, I clash with His Excellency the President, John Mahama. I find in some of the oh, now no what committee be all be review and come share. Ralph said there be Mahama, Sabi, you go when I you cry. If it's a asset after accident, no money boy, money muta Muhammad, Mahama cannot think straight. Just maybe all you be as a fuck him, who name the oil. Ralph, I clash with Mahama, and some Ralph I candy. I was say when it is a catching. I Penyah block media. Best was any demo. Obe like this video, no that my subscribe button, it's not back the notification for the latest updates. Now back to the wild dear mammy. I will comment that she mess rascal baswa. No she video no more for so any be ashe. Etenye no ade a etwa e Ghana ham as emu kese oyi asante hima ewon ifro no mo ade toso eye omanebo ama eni mutara Muhammad I say omu atwa nanom e won said after say helicopter e crash ye e wo adanse brofu yedu obo ase e kwan no so e ho no mo. Now, right after that, you know, the prophecies, a deep for no, I started air trend, our Ghana always say, oh, me na me can, yeah, me na me who, yeah, me, yeah, say, Emma always remember because, oh, all from an ebo ama so 3 solid manes, what is here? Or started from an ebo ama, me, mu, epu me, and what from an ebo ama, besi, I guess, yes, or man ebo ama, ewi, or man ebo ama, picking the cover, who cry, and on this when your asses beer to man ebo ama, and worker and someone or person or catcher. Etima, a deep for is not, oh, my bed, your minor boss. Obi a Canada waiting up men who ye obi a take glory. Any pair wono, no deep for neighbor who anymunyam. Edmu Anna Mahama hid no see there be. I tell you for no Ghana Hanamona. I was able to minesi form. Et Mahama a creative office be our office in a the presidential envoy for interfaith and ecumenical relation. A omobo tane se oyo difo oye nyame nipa nyame somfo na se o si nyame ayi bibia kirewa a efa politicians ho a emegina badwamu na enka. Nemo the dinkafa ebra omo asoye I say onmanyamfo Elvis Afri Yankra na eye otitrani for that committee na mama akreti no ono ene in charge of that it omo no ebe avert the prophecy omo avert prophecy na so mu say eye se o di for ye ma kwai e ma kwaka na badwama na afi omo ma kwai na afi wotimi de ababetu edwa it now no se nyame e kasa kire ni difo a Elvis Afri Yankra mo ene ebe avert ehu nsem na nyame ka kire odi for kra no ya de tunso na ni we as okay nsem we no oh masa ja hu hia ye ma won koka enya no kre anase we ki we ni de ye ma won koka na bonten ye ma won ka jai ye ma won ka aka we ni de eye kona koka it after sin nyame akasa chi na di kwa we no eye Afri Yankram ena bia vete nyame nsem a obeto de tun man anim no omu bia vete ansa na omu ama approve ase ko na ekoka ama adu ye ba ye kra no we ka kire say Apostle General Ray Crab Channel John say as a Ghana no person mo kan di for nation it obe kekan radio pa won say opanyini bia na say man panyini bia obe so ti di for Ghana hanom no Erade nkun on tore na sem fa na manyina twitwa so.
Let me tell you something. Any president of this country, any minister of this country, any celebrity in this country that will rise against any prophet, the Lord will use their descendants, their children and their children's children to pay for the pain of that prophet. Just like it happened. When Zedekiah was making the decision, his children were not part. But when the punishment came, the children were all killed. It tells you how protective God is when it comes to his servants. Don't touch him. If you believe he's not a man of God, you believe he's fake, why are you worried?
I don't know how.
If a prophet has given a prophecy, so and you think he's a man of God, now he's just trying to cause fear and panic. Why are you worried?
I don't know how.
The fact that you are worried shows that you truly believe he's a man of God. Listen to me. It is not every prophecy that can be averted. In the prophetic dimensions, there are things that must be, and there are things that must not be. So you are not supposed to have that surgery, but the enemy has plotted it, so that one we can stop it. And there are things that must be. God will tell us that this is about to happen, and if you challenge it, God will make it happen fast in order to vindicate his prophet. I don't know whether you are hearing what I'm saying. I am sounding this as a warning to all of you. No matter how high you go to in life, no matter where God elevates you to, I want you to understand, you cannot be higher than the prophetic office. You are not greater than the prophet. God has given you the prophet as your guide. God uses the prophetic to give you direction. If you turn a deaf ear to the prophecy, you will walk into danger. Apostle Paul was given a warning by a prophet called Agabus. Apostle Paul was an anointed man of God. Somebody whose handkerchief can heal people. Somebody whose shadow can heal people. Somebody who has visited the dead heaven. Somebody that holds the dead by the hand and they come back to life. God spoke to him through a prophet. And he told him, do not enter the next city. Otherwise your hands and your feet will be bound. But the guy did not listen. He was so passionate. He said, I will go. The Bible said as soon as he entered, they captured him and they tied his hands and his feet. When Paul now arrested in prison, he now took a pen and paper and he wrote to the church. He said, I beg you, do not despise prophecy. I despise one, and I am here to do not despise prophet. If a prophet gives you a prophecy and you don't believe he is a true man of God, still pray about it. Because if the prophet is not of God, then some using him. Listen to what I'm telling you. If a prophet is not being used by God, then it means something else is using him. So whether he is a true man of God or not, there is a power behind him. So if a prophet tells you this is about to happen, pray about it and walk away. But if you believe he is a true man of God, go to that prophet, humble yourself and ask that prophet, what can I do to affect this danger? But if you don't do this and you go and attack the prophet, you go and throw things at him, you go and insult him, what happened to Zedekiah? Even a worse one will happen. Do not touch my prophet. Don't touch my prophet. Help not my prophets. Touch not my anointed. Through my prophets no harm. They are my vessels. They are people I speak through them. They are men that I carry my message through.
Emma, me say another video na say a Fiasha Snake I also all chere na adwene e wa aduwe na esi ne ho.
Na mate so ma issue communicate e dia bre asofo no say wa opesa wo hye nkom bia no fa nkom hye no ebra Jubilee House and every ankra why twini so asa na am ka say we elder na nye leta no montro nkoma nyankopon e ndizi voba ahomaso mu promise yen direct commission nyina to the presidency na montro leta no nkoma nyankopon na we must have trouble prophet na yede e dey montro direct every anchor address God say God address God like God. Dear God, direct all prophecies to the presidency. Because prophet be anya adwuma ma presidency no. And our prophets no omoda mu payless so. Afianga. Prophets no omoda mu payless so. Ah? Ade mo na mo frɛ wo mo anya me na frɛ wo mo. Hello. Mo na mo Masa Junso jina utrimo. Bibi how adwene ho. Said direct all prophecy to the presidency. But yeah, do mama mona. Mafa womu work and pay. Mafa womu work and pay. Mona mo frɛ womu. Eye mo say di for no mo ye mo food soldiers on. And every power kakra ye di ma NDC akogina mo adwene mu. Power kakra bi ye di ma me akogina mo tiri mu. Ejina mo tiri mu sa Johnson no. Mukasa prophecy e wide. Mukasa prophecy e wide. Obi ya so when I saw them. Na nyame bie na ni a. No was so far call hello every anka. Onyame bie mani no. Me hu se o call Brazil no scanner ye de ma no. Na odi miemia now the name actress be a wedding pa na if you are sneaking him say actress no ah if you anga ukọ Brazil udi esika call World Cup besu yen kan wase mo enye miensa kwotwe mo ma o enye miensa kwotwe mo ba because ye kai say na wo buttons shabalaba enu po de na me adwuma wo UTV metimi aka nipa kro ka kire me akire mo sese a yes wo buttons shabalaba na dia ko wura actress ne dem no akọwo no actress no Ghana oye tuntum wajidin pa o aka na ni amasoso e wona mde besi munim no pa sata na me wo UTV na me ye adwuma wo UTV kokoko nipa kro kam o ka kire me munim no yes wo buttons shabalaba na dia ko wura ge ne dem get tuntum no number 1 A-list actress no yeni every anga en ko fan semuma enye mame nkofa wo nsam ma o muso munim ni pakro munim no me ke munim ni pakro munim no pa enye mame nkofa wo nsam ma enye mame nkofa ma emma emebo actress biedi bi emme kire kwan ya yefa so ye nhye nkomo Ghana obi wate na yenim de okoye wo room 6 ni room 12 emmebo obi edi bi emebo enkomhye opa troleta koma nyankopon sofu bi anya adwuma ma me mo obi edi mo bi amfo obi edi ma sofu bi anya adwuma ma and I direct all prophecies to the presidency shend you omo kire ni omo Jimmy mo so feel akwa fear funi anwene ya ho kanka mo nkai se me yes our story no ana mo nkai ho mo ne kai time ana me ye kokoko no mo nkai se me yes our story no mo nkai se me yes our story no e wo kokoko mo nkai o wo kai story ni bia wuni actress ko America no wasem wuni wo kai story ni bia wuni actress ko because that time me boy actress no the first and second day me boy letter no so now now and they are direct all prophecies to the presidency. Says who? Says motherfucker who? Says the goddamn motherfucker who? Says who? Mutua prophets nigga. I saw that mona musie. Instrumentalist mona mutua mga. Nyame wonkonkono wo ba. Obeji plane ticket wo mo ho. Nyame wonkonkono. Wo ba. Ekwan na ase no na monkoye. Kumase kwan no. I then direct all prophecies to me in your capacity as who in heaven. Na munina mo ko bonsam jim. Munina mo ko bonsam jim direct all prophecies to who? Onyame na ekumo. Ade kura mo ye ya mo de ba power who no. Ena mo ko who. Mo imtra. Oyo nyamia yenene nama yensuro. Oyo nyamia yen me account now 500 and something following no. Means me fan call life. Oyo nyamia yenene nama yempa ba. Asem tu ya otimi twitwaji ye firimu. Asem tu ya abrofone konkonsa. Otimi twitwaji ye firimu. Sawone na ma wode won to obutan so se mose mo nya kwan dia obeja mo kwan oyo nyame
na we say Raf the firés Ghanaian eso abam bi onim Raf 2024 now Raf or you be an oye freedom fighter, you know, fix the country activist or born somebody say Ghana be fighting to Efra right after the election. We say you can say you partisan or you NDC ni but I say or you NDC say right after the election no his connections and his movement exposed him. And we be say we end this. Now Ralph, you know, and we heard the committee na Mahama artists who and review professional. And I say, His Excellency, Boko there, any day ma, Boko there. committee we answer be pan the emfa so be pan e was so rough etire say ewo na omanebo ama eni muta Muhammad ewo ndi and say aka Mahama adwena ba for the tiri mu eti Mahama enim niam a wo ye nti obi empre Mahama obi mpre na say omunta Mahama fa ne psychiatric hospital omu ko hwe na adwene mu because even Mahama enya adwene mu how because ne nama oye no rough as ensi so ema no
so obi mfred John Mahama non ka asem nkyere no Ibrahim Mahama, I know your brother owns you a lot. I know you own your brother a lot. The family, the Mahama family, the NBC as a political party, Ghana Council of State. Somebody needs to sit John Mahama down. John Mahama needs a psychological advice. John Mahama needs a psychologist. They need a doctor. Apart from John Mahama inviting Ibrahim Traore as soon as possible or going to visit Ibrahim Traore, I think John Mahama at the moment right now, after this post, me seeing this post, I think John Dramani Mahama, I will be very, very happy that his brother, John, what your friend is saying, Ibrahim Mahama, Rahim Mahama, Madam Lodina, Charlie, somebody should be because I feel within me that John Mahama is not psychologically stable right now. Come on. Aden. Yes, we all know defense minister is the spinal cord of the the president. We know because when it comes to the defense minister, he is the one that takes care of the president's internal securities and external securities. He is your spinal cord. And if that man is down in such a manner, it would affect you. It will. And it has surely affected you, Mr. President, unless somebody who is not being human, somebody who doesn't understand what it takes. Mr. President, the defense minister, Honorable Omanebu Ahmed's death has touched you so much, just as much as if today any of your children is down. May God forbid. And if, Oluman, you are watching this video, I know that you are not in a clear state of mind. After seeing that post, no, somebody needs to we should take the president away. In fact, somebody needs to be touching the president and tell him something like, yo, Charlie, this is not what we need now. This is not what we need at the moment. Aden, what? Aden, Wagner leader, Russia for Wagner leader, and say, a Kufa do Koka say, a borders neso, a phobia baba be Emma, omuko from Mubegu, a Quomian or two plane or two Kayako baby, plane, yes, I hear you a bait, yes, Wagner leader. Plane a Kobo from if indeed somebody was attacked there, and you two things in Omube Yusu, and insecurity right now. One of the things you can never take as a joke is cyber security. Because cyber security can hack everything, the system, the control tower, everything, Mr. President. So at this moment, we don't need church, we don't need pastors, we don't need prophecies, we don't need seers. We need critical thinking and security advisors. Somebody should call Mr. President. Come on. Hey. Oh my back one patim. I say, Jesus Christ, man. But I don't blame you, Mr. President. I don't, not at all. I don't. I'm shocked. I'm hurt that yes, we CBM. Yes, Ghanaians are opportunists. Ghanaians are opportunists and sycophants, Mr. President. Yes, there are spirituality. There are spiritualism. But this is a system failure that has taken away our comrades. This is a system failure that has taken away the lives of our fathers, our brothers, our husbands, and and nation builders, Mr. President. It's a system failure. And we need a critical thinking and a pragmatic solution. Swift solutions. En kwaleya mu womo wuya mu ko ho esiedu nketia ni wa mu regional minister mu ko munya. It's useless. Because Ghanaians are talking about it. And the president anko omo and the Friday ya 2M Express bus ba kusko bo mu ko mu so busia ho. Any day chi obi the motor akobo ho emu mu ko mu so busia ho. We need to fix our roads. We need to let laws work on our highways. Enough. A single lanes. If you care about pine no akobobi, pine na akwesiwe, pine na akwesa. Car to me say car so 2 weeks. This is what we need to fix. Not going to be meeting families and be sending condolences, and we don't need it. This country needs a savior. Come on. The president needs a psychologist.
We need some fellow Ghanaians, Raf Wabeka. We beat my children amame. Ewo comment section. Penyah Media. Accra.